Hey, what's up everybody? This is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I will show you how to create your own squeeze page. So guys, if you don't know how to create your own squeeze page, then guys, this video is for you. In this video I will show you how you can create your own squeeze page step by step. So guys, without any delay, let us show you how you can create your own squeeze page. By the way guys, to create my squeeze page I use tool that is Clickfunnels, right? Or you can say I use software that is Clickfunnels, through which not only we can create our squeeze page, we can also create our own sales funnel, website funnel, membership site funnel, product launch funnel, webinar funnel. So guys, it's a very good tool to use for our online business. And yes, if you want to try this software or this tool, then guys, it comes for 14 days free trial. Yes, you can use this tool for 14 days, right? You don't have to pay anything till 14 days. And yes, if you find it helpful for your business, then yes, you can continue with that. If not, then you can cancel it anytime. Yes, there is no harm to go for 14 days free trial, right? If you think, right? So guys, this is all about for Clickfunnels. Then let us show you how you can create your own squeeze page, right? So guys, as you can see that I'm already logged into my Clickfunnels account. So go to Clickfunnels, click on that, funnels, right? And guys, as you know, just to create squeeze page, the only sole purpose is that we want to collect the leads, we want to collect the email address, right? So this is all. This is only the sole purpose to create a squeeze page, right? So can you see that there are three options, right? As we want to collect only email address, then I will go for that, right? If I want to sell, then I will go for here, right? So just here, keep it simple. We want to create squeeze page, so click on that and just give it a name, right? Okay, squeeze page, right? And here, tag for squeeze page. Click on that and just build funnel. So guys, now we will be taken to our templates, opt-in templates. So from there we have to choose that which template we want to use, right? So let's keep, guys, one thing, whenever you go and try to build your squeeze page, then keep it very simple, right? Don't make it overcomplicated, right? So let me choose something simple, right? Okay, I think it looks good to me as a picture, right? So yeah, let me see. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it looks good to me. It's a neat and clean and very simple, right? So choose this one. So we have chosen our template, right? And just go to edit. Now can you see that, guys? Here we can change anything, right? You can say, yeah, free report reveals, right? You can just how to launch your very own squeeze page in just 10 minutes or less, right? So yeah, just keep it simple. And we can, even if you are a beginner or have no technical skills, right? So yes, it's a sub headline, right, that we can use, right? We can change, right? We can change the font size by going here, right? It's up to you. It looks good. And yes, from here we can also change the headline, whatever. You can say free report. This is free report reveals how to launch or how to create, right? How to create your own very friends, now looking squeeze page in just 10 minutes or less, right? It's a good headline, right? So free report, and just keep it here. We can change the color, guys, by going can see that we can change the color, right? If we want to red, yes, we can keep it red, right? sorry. So yes guys, here we have name and email address. Yes, we can keep it here. And we can just type give me now. Yeah, give me now. Yeah, we can type yes. So it's yeah, everything is good, right? It's a free report. Here you can just put your own image, right? Can you see that setting? Can you see the image? And first you can you have to upload by going here, upload, right? Let us see. So from your desktop you can upload the image, right? So I have already just uploaded some of the image. So by selecting, and I have to click on that add image, so it will be uploaded to my that section, that here, right? Image will be uploaded to this section, right? So guys, this is very simple, right? You can see that how you can say how I created a simple landing page, right, within 5 minutes, right, or maybe within 10 minutes. And yes, if I have to just I have to save, and this if you can say if I want to integrate with my autoresponder. So can you see that gear button? Then go to integration, right? And integration. So I have to choose my autoresponder, right? So I use ConvertKit, and I have to select my email list, right? Or you can say my form. And then from here I have to choose my list. Mean to say, if somebody put his name and email address, then which list I want to take my subscriber, right? Or you can say which list I want to store my subscriber. For example, in that case I want to go to this one, ES20. So select, and now can you see that selected. So in that case, when somebody put his name and email address, then he will be taken to, or he will be, his email address or name will be stored into my list, that is ES20, right? So guys, this is very simple, right? If you want, then you can put something here, right? And this we don't want, then just delete this one, right? Keep it simple. Yeah, that's good. So guys, now you can see that how I created, right, this professional looking landing page, right? And this guys, let me know if you need this funnel, right, or this landing page. I will send you the link, right, if you need this one. Yeah, okay. So you can see the preview. So guys, now that's great. And yes guys, here I have two options, right? If somebody put his name and email address, then what I can do, I can take that very person to my thank you page, so that he can get his free report or free training, whatever we are offering on our landing page, right? And second option that we have, instead going to our, you can say, our thank you page, we can redirect that very person to our affiliate link or affiliate offer. Let us show you how you can do that. Guys, can you see that button, right? So here I have to just put my affiliate link. Can you see that? This is okay, empty. Now just put my affiliate link, right, and just enter, right? And here, yeah, keep that open in new window, right? And that's it, and save. So now let me see the preview. Yeah, if I put my, yeah, okay, this is Pankaj Singh, right? Okay, this is my email address, right? Contact @ yeah, this is good. So that's it guys. Can you see that I have been taken to my affiliate offer? So this is second option that you can do, right guys? And let us show you another option, right? If you don't want somebody to go your affiliate offer directly, and you want to take them to your thank you page, then in that case what you can do, you have to just click here, that's it. And instead clicking this button, go to website, you have to click on that submit order and submit form, right, and save. And from here what you can do, you have to choose the thank you page template, right? Click on that. Yeah, so here we have so many thank you page templates, so choose simple one, right? Okay, keep simple, guys, keep everything simple, right? Don't make it over complicated. Okay, we can choose, okay, can do this one, right? Let's choose. So go to edit. So guys, it is our thank you page, and just we can change the background color, right? Just want by going background, we can change the background color, right? This one. Yeah, we can change the background color. We can change the text color, right, by going here, text in black. Yeah, that's it. And black here. Black. Yeah. So guys, can see that it is our very simple thank you page that we can offer. So guys, here this is the button, right? So for example, we offered somebody a free report. So here we can give the link so that he can get his free report or free training. Click, or we can just like click here to get your free report. You can type something like this. And we can change font size, right? Whatever you want, and the same thing. What we have to do, we have here consider we have to put the link, right? For example, let me show you my drive. For example, this is the report that I'm offering, right? For example, right? So what I can do, I can just right, and I can come right here, and if I want to share, so what I need to do, I need to you can say can comment, can edit, can view, right, and shareable link. So this is my link, right, that I can so I have to put my link here, right, and enter, right, open in next window, right, and save, right guys. And yes, if I want to keep these social icon, then I can. Otherwise, just keep it simple, guys. I don't want this. I just want to keep very simple. I don't want to distract my subscribers. So simple, and let's see. Yeah, that's great. It's a very simple thank you page, guys. So guys, we have created our squeeze page plus thank you page, right? So now again same, and now go back to. So guys, now we have created our squeeze page. Now you know how to create your squeeze page as well as your thank you page. And now this is the link that I need to share with somebody, right? So let's open it into incognito window, right? So it was my thank you page link, right? And let me go to opt-in. So this is my opt-in link, or you can say my thank you page squeeze page link. So click on that. So yes, so if somebody puts his name and email address, let me put here Pankaj Singh contact, and just give me now. So it should give me to my thank you page. Yes, can you see that? Now I have been taken to my thank you page, right? When I submitted my name and email address. So, and this is my report that I'm offering, and just it should give the, yeah, can you see that? So this was the report that I was offering. So guys, now you know how to create your own squeeze page as well as your thank you page, and how you give your link to your report, right? Everything that I have shown you. So guys, this is for today. And yes, again, if you have any questions for me, then please do let me know. I will personally help you. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, right? If you like this video, please do like, share, and comment. And yes, guys, again, I tell you, if you want to use this Clickfunnels tool, then I have a bonus, right? If you go through this tool, right, or you use Clickfunnels through my link, right, then I will give you my personal coaching for 1 hour, right? And you can ask me anything related to your online business, right? So this is all about for today. And again, if you have any questions, then please ask, right? And I will personally help, right? Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.